Siddhi and in today's video I'm going to talk about the first book in the Hunger Games series. And before I start, I just want to acknowledge that I haven't been making a lot of videos lately. I think the last video I posted was like 2 months ago. So the reason for that is my physical classes have started at school, which is exciting. This is what I've been waiting for the last 2 years, but I just don't get that as much time as I used to before. And I haven't been reading a lot of books lately, so I had nothing to talk about on the channel because it's about books. So if I'm not talking about books, then what is the point in it? And now I'm just gonna try to read more books and make more book reviews on this channel. So without any further ado, let's just jump into the review. Now this book is about an apocalyptic world, not as in a zombie apocalypse. It's a world in which everything has been destroyed, a lot of floods happened and things like that happened, which caused the entire surface of the earth to decrease. So a lot of the land, which right now is normal, it is underwater in the Panem. Panem is the name for current day North America in this book. The main character of this book also lives in Panem. The main character's name is Katniss Everdeen. And a few things about this world is that in the districts, it is really common to be really poor or to just not have enough food to eat. And it's quite an honorable thing to be fat and old in District 13 because most people die at a young age due to starvation and they don't get enough food to become fat. So they just stay thin / die at an early age. So like if a person is fat or has grey hair, they are considered to be much cooler, and people ask them what their secret is for a long and healthy life. The main plot of this book is that there is a yearly event which happens in Panem, in the capital of Panem, which is called the Hunger Games. Now this event is a competition between all of the districts. Each one of the 13 districts has to send 2 children from the ages 12 to 18 to the Hunger Games. One of them has to be a boy and the other has to be a girl. And all of the participants have to fight till the rest of the participants have died, and the last living participant is the winner. And the winner gets a lot of shiny prizes, and most of the people are poor, so they get a lot of money, they get food for the rest of their lives, they get to live in really large big houses. Basically they get everything they might need for the rest of their life for winning this event. But obviously most people won't be able to win it, most people die in it. So what happens in this book is that the main character, whose name is Katniss, she has a little sister who gets picked for the Hunger Games, but the Hunger Games are really dangerous and most people die, and when someone gets picked for the Hunger Games in District 13, it's just like instant doom because they probably will die. There have been only 2 times when a person from District 13 has won, and one of those people are already dead. The other one is a really weird person who drinks too much and passes out on stage while talking to the audience. His name is Hamish, but Hamish is quite a weird person and he's really old and he drinks too much. There have been only 2 winners till date in this book by District 13 in Panem for the Hunger Games. What happens is that Prim gets picked for the Hunger Games, but Katniss knows that Prim is probably going to die a gruesome death. So Katniss decides to volunteer for Prim, and she gets picked, and so this is how Katniss decides to go to the Hunger Games. The other boy who gets picked for the Hunger Games is Peeta Mellark, who is the person who gave bread to Katniss's family when she was about to die of starvation. Although I wouldn't recommend reading this book for people who are like under 9 years of age, because this book has some violence. It's basically like kids killing each other, and it just has a lot of violence. So if you're squeamish or you're very young, like under 9, I just don't read it. That was it for the spoiler-free part of this review. I might put out a spoiler-full version, but I'll see about that later. That is it for this video, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Bye!